Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Jima Artist. Today we are drawing and shading a housefly, and we starting from the basic shapes, a simple shape, and we'll be adding tones to get our full 3D image. So I've started picking up the dark tones step by step. I'll be building up the tones gradually. You know, shading is a gradual process. You have to build up from light, mid-tones and dark tones. Trying to depict, bring out the legs. You know, I always try to bring out the dark parts gradually. That's how makes my workflow very easy. One thing is, there are a whole lot of ways to shade, there are a whole lot of techniques, but you have to understand the gradation. You have to know your light source, where your light is coming from, and your shadows. They are. Also have gradually build your tones, shade from the light to the dark gradually. When you are shading the dark parts, you press hard the pencil to get enough dark shades. In the mid-tones, you press lightly, don't press hard. In the light, sometimes you just leave it, or you just move it lightly on your image, trying to bring out much detail as much as I can. Still trying to work on the dark shades, bring contrast between the two, light and dark. Start building the feather. You bring out a few details in the feather. So it's going to be my final shading, just adding a few details, a few touches, and I'm done. I hope you like it. So thank you. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye.